Most 7-day detoxes are a scientific lie. They focus on water weight and calorie restriction, which actually crashes your metabolism. If you want longevity through metabolic health, you don't need a juice cleanse, you need a cellular recalibration. In the next 7 days, we are going to fix your circadian rhythm and metabolic repair mechanisms. We aren't just losing weight, we are building biohacking for metabolic flexibility, teaching your body to switch from burning sugar to burning fat with precision. I'm Dr. Marie, and this is the FitPulse Longevity Protocol. But before we take the first step, remember this. We live in a world that profits from keeping us tired and confused about our health. FitPulse exists to deliver the truth, backed by science, not marketing. If you've ever done everything right but still felt exhausted, these videos are for you. If this mission resonates, consider subscribing. Your one small click helps someone else find their way back to their best self. Thank you for being part of this journey. The Cortisol Foundation. Now, let's get to work. Days 1 and 2 are about the master controller of your metabolism, your hormones. We start with a morning routine for cortisol balance. The action? Within 30 minutes of waking, you must get 10 minutes of natural sunlight. This sets your master clock. The science? This triggers a timed release of cortisol that ensures you have energy now and melatonin for sleep hygiene for fat loss later tonight. The FitPulse tip? If you are a busy professional, do your first round of emails outside. This is nervous system regulation for wellness at its most basic level. Insulin sensitivity and nutrient timing. Now that your clock is set, we address blood sugar stability for energy. By day 3, we focus on how to improve insulin sensitivity naturally. The protocol? We implement a protein-first rule. Never eat a naked carbohydrate. The hack? Use natural ways to lower blood sugar spikes by taking a 10-minute metabolic walk immediately after your largest meal. The goal? We are shifting the body toward science-based metabolic health tips that prevent the afternoon energy crash. Metabolic flexibility and movement. By day 5, your body is primed. Now we push for metabolic health for busy professionals by utilizing Zone 2 movement. The shift? We are teaching your mitochondria to use oxygen more efficiently. This is the core of longevity through metabolic health. The integration? Use habit stacking for weight loss. Stack your most difficult cognitive tasks with a standing desk or light movement to keep the metabolic engine humming without added stress. The longevity leap. 7 days ago, you were looking for a change. Today, you hold the blueprint for true longevity through metabolic health. What you've experienced this week, the circadian rhythm and metabolic repair, the blood sugar stability for energy, and the sleep hygiene for fat loss, is not a finish line. It is your new baseline. You have successfully transitioned from a body that survives to a body that thrives through biohacking for metabolic flexibility. The actionable future. The secret to making this last isn't willpower, it's habit stacking for weight loss. When you combine morning routines for cortisol balance with nervous system regulation for wellness, you aren't just losing weight, you are literally upgrading your biological operating system. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 days do you think will be your biggest challenge? Is it the morning routine or the post-meal metabolic walks? Comment below with reset and your answer. I'll be jumping in to provide extra coaching to as many of you as I can. If you're a busy professional ready to master your biology, make sure you've joined the FitPulse community by subscribing. Your journey to how to improve insulin sensitivity naturally is just beginning. I'm Dr. Marie. Keep your pulse strong and your metabolism stronger. I'll see you in the next video.